Welcome everyone. Welcome guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to our live stream. We are ready for an amazing Friday. Let's go everyone, welcome. What's happening here in the markets? Testing out a short here.
Order filled.
I think this is gonna go further.
Order filled.
Thinking this is gonna get back into the 20s. Let's see how we could do this. Good morning everyone. Welcome guys, welcome chat. Let's see how does it work around falling below the current level for Nasdaq. Good morning everyone. How's it going? We're ready out here shorting 5 minis. Directly on the stream, everyone. Hope you're having a great time. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. We're doing our $50,000 account giveaway. Let me create the message for that. So this is going to be a 50K giveaway right there. Stop loss on our entry. We've got $900 profit on that. Let's just see how does it plays out a little further into the previous low structure here on the left side. That's what I'm hunting, guys. We're trading risk-free here, so I'm willing to give it a little room.
Order filled.
But we got stopped out on the trailing. On the break even. Exactly, NPC World. Good morning, guys. Welcome, everyone. What a crazy price action here on Nasdaq. Intense volatility on board, which is, you know, we had 17,700. The lowest of the week. And now we've been dealing a couple of hours ago with 19,500. Getting back to the monthly opening, I've been talking about it yesterday. Regards with the monthly opening. The giveaway today is going to be on Ticktick Trader. Yesterday it was on Top 1 Futures. I mean, they had to. A lot of them people made money. From our community, we've got a few guys going on $15,000 cash out quite quickly, guys. So if you spend 1,000 and you take out 15 grand, plus you can go and withdraw another round, is a little too much. Thank you, Nick Patel. Thank you. Exactly, Tony. We gotta have the fireworks at this time. Looking for a great session out here. We're starting today with our Ticktick trader accounts as we are trading the 250,000. There is about $9,000 above the maximum loss here. Targeting around $3,000, hopefully. But the 1 hour candlesticks here are definitely not looking good. With the sell-off we had, and the way it is portrayed right now, it can very easily get into 19,000s. Very easily. Right? So we should not forget about this level. Which is also yesterday's VWAP. Right? So we should definitely not forget about that. On the 5 minute, this is what we're trading, so this rejection here that we received is definitely not welcome. It's a form of education. You got some help in terms of trading, some discussion about trading. Joe's boy in our Discord community, that is your max loss limit. So if your balance is going to that level, you're going to lose your account. Your balance should not touch that value, which is represented by MLL 96597. You should avoid touching that level. If you're here on the stream, beautiful. We're also going to trade today our top 1 futures accounts. One minute price action looks difficult for the moment. We have a 5 minute engulfing, so I like to see how we can work around this 1 minute charts if we have anything interesting we could play with. Good morning, Gunnar. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So, Elite Challenge, are you referring to Ticktick Trader? Or are you referring to the Top 1 Futures? Which prop firm do you refer for the 150,000 Elite Challenge question? Exactly, we took out London and Asia so far. And we have a form of support appearing here. I don't think we're not gonna bring the markets back to the monthly opening during the New York. I don't think we are not. Right, so 411 for me is on the table for today. Is definitely on the table for me. Could work around the trending line here, which is exactly what we're facing right now. A resistance line there. So how you get funded? Well, one step elite challenge, 150,000. You have to achieve your profit target to be funded, which is $9,000. I mean, it's not really worth it comparing with instant sim funded, where you already get funded. You already get funded, basically. So by achieving the profit target on the 150k, which is 7,500, you can already take $3,500 out. You can withdraw. Here on the challenge, you gotta make 9,000 and you don't withdraw anything. You just get funded by achieving that. And then you start making money by being funded. You gotta touch targets and so on. Right? So it's a lot better, which is why everyone is going instant funded. Trade the Momo. Well, right now, it's the way they set it. With the accounts you guys have, they will run under the form you have purchased them. So I think these are very valuable accounts that we have got, and we still have the ability to buy. So I don't know what's going to happen basically in 6 months from now and the way things are going to look like. One thing is very, very clear. All the companies that are the top companies and they have been online for years, none of them are looking the same like they started. Like none of them are looking the same like they were 3 months ago, let alone from the time they started. None of the companies. Good morning, Trade Marvin. Let's go for a nice session. Let's go for a nice giveaway. $50,000 Ticktick Trader giveaway. Instant funding here as well. It's worth $341 with the maximum discount right there. This is out here for the giveaway. We got rejected by the trending line. You know, I'm just fearing this lows here. $222, 220s, revisiting that level. But at the same time here, it looks great for a potential breakout. Good morning, Marek. Exactly, Nick Patel. If you bought today, you're running on old rules. So you have the highest chances. I mean, you don't get such rules in trading environment and conditions in the props world anywhere else in the way Tap 1 is today. And the way it's gonna be starting with Sunday and Monday and so on is a little different, but it's still representing a major advantage. The majority of the other prop firms will request you to make a lot more before you can go ahead and do your first withdrawal.
Order filled.
Putting together a buy in here.
Order filled.
Looking forward monetizing a move all the way back into the squeezing point of 277. Above this trending line. Morning guys, morning everyone. Make sure to like the video so we can bring the numbers up. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed. And have the notification turned on. We're doing daily live streams from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Let's see if we can confirm the breakout here. Should go with the top of the wick, which is somewhere around the level we're dealing with right now. 12, 13 points impulse movement would actually give us exactly what we need. Time to see the impulse.
Order
And the
filled.
squeeze. Beautiful, the target has been touched, guys. Look at that, $1,255. That's the way to start a day. Beautiful, guys. Have a look into that. The trending line breakout has totally worked. Let's go. The trending line breakout has worked. This is the candle I pretty much paid attention that the selling pressure should have been confirmed at that level if that was the dominant response. Yet it has been reversed, and then we were pretty much holding the line and slowly crossing without seeing the bears actively dominating and reacting at those levels. That is the way I translate the way I was thinking and what happened there. We've got a great start. We are having a gain more than $10,000 max loss on this account. And it's a copy traded account. That's pretty good. We're gonna go to the 5-minute as well. 5-minute clearly looks like a double bottom here, starting with an engulfing, which is huge. Exactly. So Nick Patel, have a look into that. If you want to see the 1 minute on Project X, it's pretty much the same on both Tap on Futures or Ticktick. Here, top left corner, right there, it says the timing. I have it on 1 minute. You want to select, scroll down, and go for the number of minutes or hours or days or whatever time frame you want to click on that, and you're good to go. Just last, you select the symbol of the assets you're looking at right there. That's the way to go about it. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. We have got today our $50,000 account instant funded giveaway. Daily, monthly above. Our low sits around 217. And the highest level around 497 for our today's high. Wow, look at that. The golden pocket actually comes in on the daily and monthly opening. Ooh. Look at this crazy candle, guys. Something happened out here with the squeezings.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
run some I'm going to run some
Order filled.
scalping here, guys. 900 bucks profit for this one if it gets hit. Back into the liquidity zone here of the candle.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. Oh, the candle timer on the right side. I'm not sure if you can do that. The countdown timer. I don't have it on here. I only have it on TradingView. So you have settings on the top right corner. Here. You got a settings here. Chart settings, top right corner. And that's the only place you could be able to add your countdown timer next to the price. Come on, this should have sufficient power to get back in the wick here, filling up the liquidity, guys. Usually that's how scalping works, so come on. Just a little more. I'm putting my stop loss to my entry.
Order filled.
And we have touched the profit with that. Let's go, guys. Beautiful, $2,400 in about 25 minutes. So let me see if you can add the timer. Yes, you can add the timer, buddy. Patel, you go to chart settings, you go to scales, and then you scroll down here for price scale, and then you have the countdown to bar close. And then you're going to see the seconds there. So you say, okay. And I'm going to have it like that as well. It's much better. Yeah, we're doing Ticktick Trader giveaway. No take profit trading today. No, we're doing Ticktick Trader instant funding. This is instant funding, guys. You take the account and you make money straight away. Thank you for joining, by the way. Make sure to like the video so we pick the numbers up. And we've got 2,400 on the copy trading account here. This is looking like a lower high, so it's quite questionable. It's quite questionable what's going to happen here. This is looking like a lower high and a continuation afterwards, so more and more pressure is going to be around the daily low. Yes, news trading allowed. This is a great starting here. The way the 5-minute is sneaking around here for a potential barcode structure is interesting, but the pressure coming from the highs is very clear. Take a look at that, guys. It's very, very clear. I mean, I would be careful here with lows being swept, and then we could run. $2,400. Still have some room here to make a little more. We do not have any news scheduled on the calendar for today, but we've got for next week. We're already looking at the next week representation here for the economical scheduled news of the US economy. On Tuesday, we have JOLTS, job openings, which is usually important. I mean, everything that we've got here listed is just the highest impact. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we've got the whole week packed up with news. That's a big rejection right there, guys.
Order
How
filled.
are we going to deal with that?
Order filled.
So I would need here around $1,000 more for this account. How are we going to deal with that rejection? Do we just come all the way down to the lowest parts of the wicks we established, or simply trying to fight back from here? Chopping back and forth. Obviously, I'm going to get out of this. This is going ugly. And it's not looking good right now.
Order filled.
So we got stopped out. We got core retail at 8:30 today. It's not really listed here. Let me see that. It's not really listed out here for some reason. So we got the bullish reaction and we got stopped out, and obviously now the picture looks different if this 5-minute candle engulf is here. We're not looking bad because we're going to trade this situation, guys. The new trending line formed. We're just going to hunt for a breakout.
Order filled. Order filled.
$200 EMA sits around 300s. We're about to touch our profit here. Moving the stop loss to my entry. Let's go, guys. This is looking great. We're 6 contracts. Putting the stop loss slightly below, I want to leave some liquidity and room there. Adding
Order
more
filled.
to this one here.
Order filled.
A little more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we got stepped out in an ugly manner right there. What a choppy market here. Confirming basically the rejection. On the 1 minute trending line. Resistance trending line has been created there. I would go for a breakout trading for the 200 EMA line. I would squeeze the price action into the 300s.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're trading the big boy. Let's see, can we break out here for a squeeze? Can we wick above the trending line? 298 back into the previous wick. We've got it on 293 for our target. $3,900 for the profit. Keep in mind, guys, we're doing our giveaway on Ticktick Trader 50K account, instant funded. This is an important candle here that should push with us. I like to see it right now grabbing some energy to the upside if it wants to be bullish. Come on, grab some energy right there. Beautiful move so far. This is a flat opening on the 1 minute, which could lead us into the target of 293, representing $3,900. Moving the stop loss to my entry. Looks like a good trade so far. Hope we're not gonna get stuck here on 286, guys. Hope we're not gonna do a double top there. Because in the way that 1 minute looks like, I don't want to sell anything here. We're pretty tight, of course. We've got only 9 points. But there is not much to go, guys, for the final target here. That should be part of the game. Should be part of the breakout. Oh,
Order filled.
We got stopped out. What an ugly price section. We got stopped out on our entry. And look at the aggressiveness downwards. Another rejection here, guys. How many times do we get rejected here? And how many times do we fight back? I'm going to slow down here. We had a good opportunity earlier that has not been materialized. Yeah, this price action is crazy. Now it's going. Now it's going and would have touched my target. Yeah, it was $2,000. And would have set us in profit. I wanted a little more, just as we got right now, where the impulse should have been going higher in that move. They needed to take us below with an extra liquidity snap. Finally, it goes for the breakout. Probably targeting the 300s. Which is why I kind of wouldn't be bothered longing here as well.
Order filled.
Targeting the 300s.
Order filled.
299. Now I'm gonna take way smaller profits. We've got the 200 EMA on 1 minute candle there. I don't know how that gonna react. But this is showing sign of dominance after the breakout. It looks good from my standpoint, from my understanding, so... Are we reversing it?
Order filled.
Time to reject here and see how we can adjust this. Otherwise, I'm going to be
Order
quickly out
filled.
of this position if it's not going to play out. There is no continuation here. Taking our trending line, putting it by the wick right there is going to give us this. And then the rejection makes sense exactly in the highs. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Stop loss is going to be right below this green candle. Cannot afford to give more than that. we're gonna be probably stopped out. We're just 1 point away.
Order filled.
Yep. We got rejected and we got stopped out here. Failed breaking out for the moment. It's rejecting, but definitely not pushing lower than 74, as you can see, so acts like a significant trap here, chopping right before a trending breakout. Very interesting. Usually with the candles we have that were representing impulses, went into the pivot points of the 1 minute around 300s. That were actually missed so far. If we play by the trending lines of the uptrend that we have here, we're gonna form a triangle at some point. But this has been a really weird price action around 85, 88. Clear breakout is going to be delivered. And a big failure happened here after we pushed with that 1 minute candle to the top side. We got trapped there. Looking for something around 47, right below 50s, 46, 47, looking to try out a support reaction there if we get it. $19.2, 46, 44, 43 as well.
Order filled.
And one has been touched, one has been filled up. One of the entries. Welcome, good morning, buddy. We're pushing for momentum trading on the breakout with the trends. And we're doing a lot of price action, which has been working very nicely during April. Very, very nicely. We're doing our 50k giveaway today, guys. Don't forget about it. At a specific time during the live stream, so you have to be here for an instant funding account. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed. Trading 2 instant funding accounts, 2 instant funding prop firms, Ticktick Trader and Tap 1 Futures. We gotta relax here for a good Friday. Could be a decent entry here. I like to see how do we behave on this levels. Golden pocket around 280s. Not over with a fireworks. Definitely not over. There's no reason to be over for the fireworks whatsoever, guys. Whatsoever. We have not finished our job. We are building and constructing here for performance.
Order filled.
We got 2 more filled up. We're going to decrease the 3rd limit buy. See if this one sticks and holds for a push into 268 in balance candle. Let's go, everyone. Thank you for joining. Make sure to like the video. Has been downtrending in the past couple of minutes. Certainly downtrending, especially during the London. Now we're ranging here since I started a stream and failed a few breakouts that were having high probabilities and high chances. Adjusting here our trending line. That's the line we need if this level holds. Resistance would actually appear a little bit higher. Somewhere around 280s. With a target on 277. That's a good risk or reward ratio. Exactly, so definitely not expecting a crash today or total bear market today, certainly not. The market is looking pretty well balanced. Pretty well organized. Time to see how the powerful energies could step in right here on 250s. Time to see if we are still reacting to the choppiness. So, demand zone pushing it back. It has worked throughout so far. I would put another limit buy on 238. 237 just in case the market wants to dip there. Thank you guys for joining, by the way, appreciate it. We could see a decent bounce from here. If it wants to be bullish. Otherwise, of course, the selling pressure here could be really aggressive if we are losing basically our 30s. Just decreasing the limit buy on the 34 in case a flush happens right now in the next seconds. I'm gonna be happy taking advantage of it if that would be the case. Let's see what we could do. 30 minutes to go for the New York. Welcome guys, thank you for joining. Doing a giveaway today.
Order filled.
Let's see, what do we perform here right now? What is the reaction are we gonna get? Is there gonna be any form of rejection coming in? Around the 220s. We swept the lows there on 218. This is a little bit risky. $217, it has a level of bouncing exactly from where it has reacted.
Order
Putting
filled.
the stop loss below that one. Below that candle we just made right now. Would not really be willing to let this one further. Gotta play this one tight right there on 216, very tight. We have a good possibility of reaction here. We cannot make more than 3,200s. That would be around fine. Oh, have a look into that, guys. It's a decent reaction, everyone. Let's go. Our take profit has not been touched, but it's madness. It's madness. Oh, look at that. We're going to sell something right there, increase the take profit, sell another round, increase the take profit, move the stop loss to our entry, and let it run for another 10-15 points. You're welcome, guys. You are welcome, guys. Let's go. You gotta see the fireworks. You definitely want to see the fireworks here today. You gotta push above 256 and we get into the 65. Otherwise, I'm doing this risk-free, so definitely happy about it. Come on, time to be more aggressive. SU16 reacted, buddy. Has expected and has traded with 4 minis, right? So big balls right there.
Order filled.
Oh, and the profit has been touched, guys. And the profit has been touched. That's what I'm talking about. And there you have it, everyone. That's the name of the game, $3,000 on the account. We are advancing. Pushing basically for a long entry on the instant funding accounts on the other side as well for
Order filled.
a little more here, taking some of the liquidity that is existent.
Order
I'm
filled.
pretty happy to do it.
Order filled.
Some scalping in the wick, guys. Exactly a low trades. That was the level. Let's see how we can react back into the wick we just established there with a massive move into the 300s. Let's see if we can stick with that on the Top 1 Futures trading account. What a huge move up to the 300s.
Order filled.
Back into the wick we just made. Good job. Alloy Trades, good job. We've got some good trading going on. We don't need 1,000. It would actually be happy here with about 1,470. We don't need 1,900s. So the 73s are fine. We cannot make more than 1,470s. That would be fine for my consistency, guys. Thank you, by the way, for joining. That has been a really strong move, driving us to $3,000 profit. Let's see if we could repeat the process into the 72. We got some big spikes today. This is a copy traded account. It's kind of sitting here a little too much for me, guys, so
Order filled.
I sold a part of the trade, decreased the size, accepted about $300 loss on that. And I'm sitting on 4 contracts right now. I mean, if we successfully break above 63, we could sit a run. Adding
Order
back
filled.
to this here. In case we get the impulse, I'm gonna ride it. Otherwise, I'm gonna be happy decreasing my position again. Putting my stop loss on my entry. I'm gonna get rid of about here.
Order filled.
We put ourselves in profit with the account. That's a good one. Risky situation, especially with so many contracts out there, has been a undecided momentum between the triangle we have here. $18 minutes to go, guys, for the US opening. At the same time, we are doing a $50,000 instant funding account giveaway. Big volatility is going to come around. The order book seems to be quite thin. So careful on the New York opening. I'm going to be happy scalping some around it. Yeah, we managed to get into the 77 I had. We managed to get into. So we have retouched basically the rectangle following the resistance line right there. Could be
Order
an
filled.
interesting time here for a retracement into the 50s. Back into the 60s actually.
Order filled.
We are in trouble here with the golden pocket and all the resistances existent. 200 EMA as well. The blue line is pushing around this level, so aiming a few points down. If we get it otherwise, I'm slowly going to be out of this. Of course, it's not worth the grinding possibility risk. We are still having a 4-mush strength here.
Order filled.
We need around 1,250. That's how much we would need. With the money we've made so far, it would be nicely going to our maximum. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. We've got 13 minutes to go. We're also going to do our giveaway a little later. So I suggest you to stick with us. We're doing a $50,000 funded account. That's a decent sell-off so far. Just a little extra needed. That's a nice engulfing as well. So let's see how does this 1 minute candle is going to look like. Is it capable? Putting my stop loss to my entry, actually trailing above that candle. And
Order filled.
we have been closing our trade 1,190, guys. This is definitely deserving a round of fireworks. Making money from shorts while the market is pumping. In the only red candle that is consistent here on the 1 minute. You cannot be an average guy for that, guys. You have to be on the stream. So for the giveaway, you have to be here on the stream. And I'll tell you what you have to do a little later. Beautiful profit there. So we managed to make 3,000 and 1,200 back to back. I mean, on the 1 minute we got a breakout here looking nice. So honestly, this is having a conjunction here of rejection. But the way the trending line reacted could be an interesting perspective. for a long.
Order filled.
I'm going to test it out on 2 contracts. I need about 300 bucks on that one, and I would be fine, of course. And what would be here interesting is that I have to trade the next accounts and fix it.
Order filled.
And the take profit has been touched, guys. 1,495, right? So back-to-back trades that are correct. It's not just about losing, but sometimes we have losses as well, of course. This has been a great one. So we kind of made the maximum profit here on the other account as well. And now we're going to trade the accounts that are left. Have a look into the stats, for example, of this one, guys. This is what we have on it. Ending the week on break even. The other account looks like this. This is break even as well. The follower account. And then the third account that we've got had a bad week on week number 3, but now looks better. And I'm gonna trade this one today as well, hoping to make around minimum 500 bucks. No worries, John. You needed time to prepare your belugas. I know about it. You needed time to get your belugas ready. So what's going to happen here in the highs, everyone? We are having a 200 EMA. Trying to keep us down below the 300s. But I don't think it's going to have the ability. I don't think it's going to have the ability, especially with the New York opening. I think we're going to run. But that's just my point. Of course, this is not an investment or financial advice. This is pure education and entertainment. Gotta wait it out and see what we have in 7 minutes. What we have. Any pullback down into 50s is something that even 40s basically is something I would test basically longing. We are on fire, back in business with great profits. 4,500 made totally. Gotta trade the other accounts as well. And we had a bunch of fireworks with sound. This is bothering me here, that blue line. And the golden pocket. I'm gonna fall asleep here, guys. I'm gonna fall asleep. This is not looking ugly. For a continuation above the wick, which means a continuation above 300s. Golden pocket is part of the Fibonacci retracement indicator. It's the 2 black lines that I have here representing 0.65 and 0.618. You want to look that up as well. That's a beautiful reaction point most of the times. And this is also looking great so far here if we are capable pushing with it. Could be promising, guys.
Order filled.
I've joined a party with 2 contracts.
Order filled.
3 contracts here. I'm not going to request too much out of this. Simply just break above the 300s. And let me monetize that liquidity. Not going to request you more. This is the 3rd account here on tap 1, so I'd like to make some money on this one too. $825 would definitely be a good business for the moment. Come on, guys, let's go. We're almost 100 fellas, part of our community, part of the great giveaway we're putting out, and ready to monetize this. Putting my stop loss on break even here. I think we should have strength if that's the case. Otherwise, simply right before the US opening, I'm not going to be on 3 contracts, exposing myself when I could secure that. That's just slightly above. Come on. You can do it. If you get rejected there on a sensitive place, yeah, I hope it's gonna be exciting, of course. Hope it's gonna be exciting. We've got 3 minutes to go, everyone.
Order filled.
Slightly higher. We put the take profit slightly higher. We DCA'd into this. And we're gonna put the stop loss right below the current candle. We're gonna trail, right? So let's go, guys. Look at this. Looks beautiful. Come on. Come on, slightly higher.
Order
I actually
filled.
sold the contract, sold
Order
another
filled.
one, and sold
Order
it all.
filled.
$768. Let's go for the fireworks. And there you go, guys. Look at the selling pressure that just stepped in. Straight away, once we finished the fireworks, they saw that on the stream, you know, the market makers. The market makers are right here, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Good job, Aloy. We are collecting pretty much everywhere. 1,495 on copy traded ones too, 3,000 on the other ones, and I have a losing one too, and I'm gonna take care about that very soon if I can. Thank you, guys, appreciate your great words. Remember, we've got giveaway. Do not run after the opening. We've got giveaway. 1 minute to go. "30 seconds, everyone. We're trading above the 200 EMA 1 minute. We're very close to this ranging market high, which is on 322. Very, very close to that. $10 seconds, come on. And the opening bell. Let's see, what do we get, guys? Look at a pump. Look at a massive pump. We took the liquidity out. Up to 330s. 320s on Project X. As expected, a breakout with a continuation. Let me move to 5 minute. 5 minute analysis. 5 minute is dealing right now with a 200 EMA, guys.
Order filled.
Let's make some money
filled.
here, and we made some money there. We made $165, you can see that. It was just 2 seconds, so I'm not going to trade like that. I don't want to do microscalping. Gotta wait a little more here for the top 1 futures. I don't want to do microscalping. For Ticktick Trader, you can do microscalping without issues. Let's see, do we get any flush here? So I can load up. Are we going to get any flush here so I can nicely load up? Something aggressive. Something down to 60s, 70s quite quickly, and then reversing back into the 300s. That would be lovely. So Ticktick Trader, no problem with microscalping. Tap 1 futures if your profits are 50% or near to that, or actually more. Through microscalping, it's an issue, right? So depends how you made your profits when you withdraw. Depends. This is the account I have to trade, guys, and recover. We got $4,500 here loss, and somehow I want to recover
Order
here.
filled.
So let's see if this volatility allows me to do something.
Order filled.
Let's see if I get a good chance here, or simply we're gonna touch we're gonna get stuffed out.
Order filled.
Come on, that would be a beautiful profit there.
Order filled.
I'm out of this. We've recovered something, about 800 bucks. Let's see if I can do more about it. Closed a little too early, but I need cushion, which is why I did that. I want to recover this big account here and put it on profit. We've got the other one on 3,000, but I do want to take this one's. Look at that. Great movement, guys. This is a massive buying pressure. This is insane, guys. This is pretty much insane here. So if we get this one back into the 270s, or I'm gonna be happy longing that. I don't know if we get this one back. We might push all the way into a daily VWAP here, which is sitting on 350s. We might push all the way to that. What an entry I had on 267. Had the entry on 267. This is crazy, guys. Was very close to the stop loss of the day, so I had to kind of collect some cushion and exit quicker. It's a beautiful move. All the way into the daily VWAP. 350s. That rejects a little bit. All the way to the point marked a few seconds ago, a few minutes ago maybe. Stick with us, guys. We're doing the giveaway today on Ticktick Trader. And looking to trade something strong right here. Out of 6 accounts, we've got 4 in profit for the day. We've got 4 out of 6 in profit. Could be a place here to test out a short, guys.
Order filled.
You know, even though I might sound crazy, but we've got a daily VWAP sitting on 50s. Right, so back into the 315 would be lovely for me. I wouldn't request more than back into the 315, back to the previous top right there. Testing out if it...
Order filled.
If we are capable... $315, come on. This is difficult to be shorting, guys. Honestly, very difficult here. Look at the buying pressure. Absolute madness. That's crazy. I'm gonna set my stop loss slightly above. I have to do that. This is looking ugly. And I'm pretty squeezed here. Let's see, do we get rejected from the daily VWAP? Or simply no? The buying pressure could be too much to handle. We have not been stopped out, we got lucky there. We are 2 points away. Trading 5 minis. Looking for a flush back into the 315. Come on. I'm gonna trail above this candle, guys, like this. I'll have to trail.
Order filled.
Yeah, we got stopped down. $600, $700. It's too much selling pressure here. I'm sorry, it's too much buying pressure in the way it's located. This is very difficult to trade. And now it might go down as expected.
Order filled.
Come on, push.
Order filled.
We're gonna put a stop loss above that structure as well. Let's go. Wow, what a buying pressure.
Order filled.
What a strong buying pressure. No, this is not going to work. We're not going to trade over there anymore. We are not going to trade over there anymore. We're going to take here about his 931 account. Look at that. They just pushed it up, guys, to get us rejected again. So,
Order
testing
filled.
out a short again here. Look at that. Earlier, we just, we got stopped out there on that little push instead of continuing. They always do that extra move. Extra move. Putting my stop loss to my entry here. Looks pretty promising. Come on. And I'm out
Order
of this.
filled.
Beautiful. Let's see how much did we just made. $405. That's the P&L. That's a beautiful one. Great. That's a beautiful one. Right here we've got 153, so we are above the threshold for the payout. This one has 151 300s. On the other trade, guys, just a few seconds ago, without this specific wick to the upside, we've been having a nice short collecting about $4,000, and it didn't happen, right? So we needed to wick back to the top side. It stopped us out. I reshorted from a different account, and we made money with the same logic, right? So the same idea. Four accounts in profit, 2 accounts in a loss today. For Tap 1 futures, the threshold for all accounts that I've got basically is 2% of the account balance, 2%, which is $3,000 because the account balance is 150 when you buy. Yeah, this is Tap 1. Exactly. Stick with us, guys. We've got our giveaway today. You're still having time to load up accounts if you consider so. They're all going to be on the current old rules. Whatever is going to happen on 27th will be different, and it's quite of a difference, right? But this is looking great here. Beautiful, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and organize the giveaway right now. Prepare for this one. It's gonna be as usually, guess the number. But the first thing you gotta do is make sure you are on our Discord. Everyone has to be on the Discord. Listen, chat, we are ready for this one. Specifically on Ticktick Trader, $50,000 instant funded account. Its price is right now $341. with the maximum discount available using the code Scramble. Pretty much this code everywhere gives you the max discount. So the first thing you got to do is you have to be on our Discord. Make sure to join chat. The next thing, you want to like the video you're watching and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, and constantly doing giveaways, instant funded accounts, right? So giveaways that are worth hundreds of dollars. Beautiful. The next thing is we're going to play the game Guess the Number, right? That's going to be the next thing. Guess the number. As usually, we gotta prepare. Do not write anything in the chat. Do not write anything for the moment. And wait for complete instructions. I am gonna write down a number. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna write down a number. Between 0 and 50. The first one guessing it is going to be the only winner. Between 0 and 50, the first one guessing is going to be the only winner. I'm going to do a screenshot. It's going to be up on my Discord with the chat. Do not write anything, Arthur. Wait. Do not write anything. Do not write yet, guys. You got to stop this. I'm not sure if you're listening to me. Only one number per person. Right? So do not write anything yet. You got to listen, guys. You got to listen. Let me write down the number first. Let me think about it between 0 and 50. Let me think about a difficult number, guys. It's going to be a difficult number. You must have it prepared. So prepare the number, but do not write anything. The moment you see start now in the chat, you can go. Let's go, guys. Paste your numbers. Only one per person. Only one. Between 0 and 50. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna draw a line. And that is gonna be the last one accepted. No numbers will be accepted below the line. Quickly. 2 more seconds. That's the end. Great. So the number is, as you can see it right here, is the number 16. Let's see if we got someone with the number 16. Let's see from the top to the bottom. We've got Tony with 15. We're very close to that, buddy. Do we got someone with 16? Scrolling through the numbers here. I told you I'm gonna go out with a difficult number. There is no 16, guys. We're gonna do this again. There is no 16, so we're gonna do this again. Let me think about a different number. It's not gonna be 16. Wait. Do not write anything. Let me think about it. It's gonna be another difficult number. The time you see start now, you can go ahead. Start now. Come on, do this, guys. Only one per person. Do not paste more numbers. Your first number is going to be accepted if you paste more numbers. Only one number, guys. And the first one is going to be accepted. So I'm going to draw the line in 1-2 seconds, and it's going to be the end. No numbers below the line will be accepted. Let's see. That's the end right there. Here's the number, guys. Number 14. Do we got someone with 14? We've got number 10. We've got number 17. We've got 19. We've got 13. I don't see anyone with 14. Let's go another round. We gotta do this till someone is gonna win. We're right here, 85 fellas. So let me think about another difficult one. Let me think about. I mean, if I guess a number if I write down a number that you guys are not guessing it, I should receive an account from each of you, right? What do you think about it? If I have the good luck of doing this against, let's put it that way, 80 guys, that must be a lucky time. Let me think about a new one. I gotta go about a very difficult one as well. So between 0 and 50 guys. This is gonna be a difficult number too. Think about it. Think about it. And the moment you see start now, you can go ahead. Let's go. I don't think I saw the number yet. Only one per person, guys. Only one. Do not push for more. Only one per person. The moment I... Alright, so that's the end right there. Here's the number, guys. Here's the number. Number 2. Is there anyone with number 2? Is there anyone with number 2? I don't think I saw someone. There is no one, guys. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. I guess I deserve a round of fireworks, fellas. I definitely deserve a round of fireworks for being such lucky. Listen to me, everyone, right now. We're gonna do it in the following way. Between 0 and 25. Wait, do not write anything yet. Between 0 and 25. Wait, wait, do not write anything. Wait, wait. Do not write anything. I have to say, You gotta wait, guys. Wait. We did not start it. I have to write it down first. Wait. Please wait. Right, so first I have to write it down. Do not write anything. Good. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. This should be easier, right? Think about it. And the moment you see start now, you can go ahead. Come on, go ahead, guys. I saw the number, fellas. I saw the number. Between 0 and 25. Someone is already on the list. Someone is already on the list. So I'm going to put the end and I'm going to show you. The number is 11. Double one right there. Told you it's going to be easy. And I saw number 11. The first one that is. With number 11 that I see is Arthur. It's his first number. Arthur Menez. And you put number 11, buddy. Ha. Oh. Congrats, buddy. Let's go with a round of fireworks for our good winner. And a round of applause. There you go. Exactly. Beautiful, beautiful. You got number 11. You got to reach out to me on Discord, direct message, to claim your account. That's right, Arthur. This is the account that's gonna recover everything, set you in profit, and allow you to grab more accounts that will turn into a millionaire from trading in 2 years. Arthur, what do you think about it? Are you ready for that? Are you prepared? Because this is an account, think about it, with an amazing good luck. Think about it, we had so many rounds without having people guessing it, right? So this is a very precious account, buddy. Thank you guys for joining. Have a great weekend. Tony, you had twice the very next number. You had twice today the very next number. Appreciate it, guys, for watching, for being part of this, and enjoying, of course. Take care. We talk to you soon, guys. Have a beautiful weekend. And I see you soon.